Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off your comment section on your post on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. And now you want to click on your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. And now just go ahead and click on the post that you want to turn off the comment section. So for example, this one. So now you want to click on these three little lines at the upper right corner of your post and click on turn off commenting. So now, as you can see, the comment section icon is now removed. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.